I feel that lately you don't make an effort to look good for me, and I'm always making an effort to look my best for you.
For me? Sure.
What?
Well, let's face it, you don't really doll up for me. You do it for you. You get your hair done, you get your nails done.
Oh, so you wouldn't mind if I stop fixing myself up?
No, because I love you for you.
To fix up, to fix someone up. To repair or decorate something in order to improve it. To provide someone with something they need or want. To arrange a meeting or event. To set up a date or romantic meeting for someone. Examples.
Last night that she has a blood pressure condition.
Oh, she's okay?
Oh, yeah, she's fine. Don't worry. At least don't let her see you worry anyway.
Poor thing.
Young women today are under so many pressures. Is she eating enough garlic? Because it dilates the blood vessels, you know.
Oh, well, we'll have to pick some of that up.
I'm on board.
On board for what?
Oh, well, the four of us might go in on a house, Claire and I fix it up and flip it.
That's the worst idea I ever heard. You guys know nothing about construction.
I have decided that this is the year I'm getting married.
Charlotte, that's wonderful.
Who's the lucky guy?
Well, I don't know yet, and that's where you two come in. Dennis, name one great single friend that you have to fix me up with.
Yes, Sarah O'Brien. I fixed her up 6 months ago. She would have been absolutely perfect for you.
I know I can't run Haley's life for her, but if she would let me, I would be so good at it.
Right, because parents always know what's best for their kids. You remember that nice girl at the office I tried to fix Mitch up with?
No offense, Dad, but I think I probably have a better sense of what my kids need than you did.
I think it's cute you think that.
Oh.
Oh, so you wouldn't mind if I stop fixing myself up?
Is she eating enough garlic?
Oh, well, we'll have to pick some of that up.
Name one great single friend that you have to fix me up with.
I fixed her up 6 months ago. She would have been absolutely perfect for you.